We have a Doritos commercial using a pleasant stimulus, an attractive mermaid. Our first fisherman shows us how to fish. He is our first model. Our second fisherman has a modification to the technique and a better result. We see Bandura's social learning theory with attention to the fishing technique, retention, repetition, and motivation by fishermen 2 and 3 caused by the result of the fish caught by the first fisherman. So we end up with a hilarious commercial demonstrating Bandura's social learning theory and using a pleasant stimulus to make us want to go buy some Doritos. In our next Doritos commercial, we have a man thinking he is going to use behavior modification, a shaping technique, to get a dog to fight through the pain of a shock collar to get a Dorito. He seems disappointed when the dog leaves, thinking the Dorito wasn't a good enough stimulus for the dog to fight through the pain. It was a huge stimulus for the dog. The dog was just too smart. He knew how rough the shock collar was. We end up with another hilarious commercial using a positive punishment, but it definitely sticks in our minds with the message that the desire for Doritos is powerful. So we end up with 2 commercials with the same message. Doritos are desired, but one uses the pleasure of attraction and one uses a barrier of pain that needs to be overcome. The element of humor makes both of these commercials memorable.